You don't know how to solve question on logarithm with different bases. Don't go, let me show you. The question says, evaluate log 125 base 5 minus log 16 base 4 plus log 3 base 27. Then you can see that the logarithm are not under the same base. So when you see question like this, what you are going to do is that you simplify each logarithm to its lowest form. Simplify each logarithm to its lowest form. So let's start with the first logarithm. You are going to look for a way to equalize the number and the base. You equalize the number and the base. Now let's start with the first logarithm. We have log 125 base what? Base 5. Then the lowest number here is 5. You are going to simplify this 125 to what? To base 5. Now, what is 125? Let's simplify to 5. That will be 5 raised to power 3. 125 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 3. That is 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 125. Then minus the lowest number here is 4. You are going to simplify this number to base 4. You are going to simplify to base 4. Now, 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 equal to 16. So base 4. Then plus, now we are going to simplify, the lowest number here is 3. We are going to simplify this 27 to base 3. So that will be log 3. Then 27 to base 3 will give us 3 raised to power what? 3 raised to power 3. So 3 raised to power 3 is equivalent to 27. That is 3 times 3 times 3. Now let's simplify further. Now here we are going to apply what we call power law. We are going to apply what we call power law. And the power law states that log x raised to power y base b equal to, you are going to bring this power to the front of the logarithm. That will be y log x base b. You bring the power to the front of the logarithm. So let's apply this law here. Now this 3 will come to the front of the logarithm. That will be 3 log 5 base 5. Then minus, now this 2 will come to the front of the logarithm. That will be 2 log 4 base 4. Now you can see that this one is different from what we have here. It is still power law, but we call this one base power law because the power is under the base. We call it base power law. Now let's look at base power law. So base power law states that log x base a raised to power y log x base a raised to power y equal to, you bring this power to the front of the logarithm, but it will give you 1 divided by the power under the base. 1 divided by y. Then log, so we are left with what? X and base a. So x base a. So let's apply the same, let's apply this law to simplify this further. Now this base will come to the front of the logarithm. That is this base, the power I mean, this power will come to the front of the logarithm. That will be 1 divided by 3. Now we are left with what? With log 3 base 3. Then we can simplify further. Then log 5 base 5 equal to 1. The logarithm of any number to itself is equal to 1. Log 5 base 5 equal to 1. Log 10 base 10 equal to 1. So this one will give us 3 times log 5 base 5 equal to 1. Then minus 2 log 4 base 4 equal to 1. 2 multiplied by 1. Then plus log 3 base 3 equal to what? Equal to 1. So that will be 1 over 3 multiplied by 1. Now let's simplify it further. So 3 times 1 will give us 3. Then minus 2. Then plus what? Plus 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 times 1 will give us 1 over 3. So we can simplify further. Well, let's bring positive together. So that will be 3. Let me bring this positive to this side. Plus 1 over 3. Then minus what? Minus 2. Then we can change everything to fraction. Let's change to fraction. Now we look for the LCM. So the LCM equal to what? Equal to 3. LCM of the denominator equal to 3. So that will be 3. So 1 in 3 will give us what? Will give us 3. So 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then plus 3 in 3. How many 3 can we get in 3? That is 1. So 1 times 1 at denominator will give us 1. Then minus, how many 1 can we get in 3? That is 3. So 3 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 6. So which is equal to what? 9 plus 1 will give us 10. So 10 minus 6 divided by 3. So 10 minus 6 will give us what? Will give us 4 divided by 3. So we can change it to what? To a mixed fraction. How many 3 can we get in 4? That is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 1 divided by 3. So the final answer is 1 whole number 1 over 3. It's as simple as that.